Hey guys, welcome back to Bella's Cooking Magic, and today they're making meatballs! Don't forget to like and subscribe! Okay, first you have to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, now you have to mix all your meatballs together. And I know I already made meatballs, so those were turkey meatballs. These are just regular meatballs. So you have your 1 pound of beef, your 1 beaten egg, your 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, your 1/4 teaspoon of salt, your 3 garlic cloves minced, then 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, and then a little bit of sage. I always have time. Time to cook. Now we mix it in. Oh no. Why? Blech. I know when it's all done, and they see all the yolk has been absorbed, and it's all mixed in. Alright, I think that's good. Now you have to wash your hands. Then you spray your pan with non-stick cooking spray. Then you get 1 1/2 size meatballs and place them in inch apart. Does that look like 1 1/2 inch? Me too. I think that too. Alright, first meatball plate. Now to do the rest. This is going to be so good. I'm so excited. Okay, now I'm going to give you some time for you to hit the like and subscribe button. Get it? Time. This is going to be a huge one. Looks like it's time to put these in the oven. Okay, now we're going to put these in the oven for 17 minutes. Now that we have all this time to cook, we can make our marinara sauce. Okay, first you have to put your oven to medium heat. There. Then you have to heat up your a tablespoon of olive oil. Now we're going to let that cook. Well, I can't wait any longer. Now we're going to put our onion in. And we have to wait for 7 minutes. Let's set a 7-minute timer. Alright, see you guys in 7 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add our garlic in. We're going to put in our crushed tomatoes or our tomato sauce. Now we're going to put in our 4 teaspoons of oregano. Our 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. A 4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 cup of cheese. Now you let that sit for 17 minutes. Well, we have to change the heat into a simmer. And then we let it rest. Okay guys, since the sauce is done, I'm going to put my meatballs in now. Okay, now I'm going to stir the meatballs. I'm going to let it cool. Now it's time to try it. You thought the time jokes were over. No. That is so good, guys. You guys should try it out too. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! It's the last of the time joke. Until next time!